Welcome, everyone, to Grad Hacks, making graduate school easier in 5 minutes or less. I'm Dr. L. Today's grad hack is Zotero. Zotero is a source and citation software. It's free, and it allows you to organize your sources, books, journal articles, etc., and to very quickly and efficiently get them into your graduate school writing. Today, I'm going to show you very briefly what Zotero can do, just really a demonstration. And then in a subsequent series of videos, I'm going to show you more in-depth tips and tricks on how to use Zotero and how to get the most out of it and make your writing process more efficient. Here's a document I've created to demonstrate what Zotero can do for you with your graduate school writing. Let's suppose that I want to cite this first sentence. I'm going to place my cursor where I want my citation to go and just make space for it. I'm going to go up here to Zotero. I've installed the Zotero plugin to MS Word, which allows me to access my Zotero database directly from Word. I'm going to go over here to add edit citation. And because this is my first citation, it's going to ask me what style I want to use for this document. I'm going to stick with Chicago parenthetical for now, but you'll see in a minute that you can change this to whatever you want at any point. So I'm going to hit OK, and now my search window appears, and I'm going to search for the article that I want to put in here. And I can search by author's name. In this case, that's what I've done. I've searched for Bartels. I can also search by article title, by journal title, by book title. If you've got someone like Bartels who's authored quite a bit of stuff, so I can use a title of the essay to narrow it down. And I've typed in the first couple of letters of electoral, and you'll notice that it's narrowed it down pretty quickly. I'm going to use this 2012 citation, click on it with my mouse, and then hit enter. And up here in the main text, I get a properly formatted parenthetical citation for Bartels 2012. If I go over here to bibliography and place my cursor where I want that, I go back up here to my Zotero tools and hit add edit bibliography, and it will bring in a properly formatted bibliographic entry for every citation I have in my main text. So this is super easy, super simple, and it gives you some options. So let's say I want to change this and I go to document preferences, and I want to do APA rather than Chicago. All I have to do is select APA, and now my in-text citations and my bibliographic entry are going to change to the proper format for APA. Let's say that I want to insert another citation. Let's go down here and we'll just go find another citation and enter it in here. There's a citation. This is just kind of a random article, and put it in there. And you'll notice on the right-hand side of the page that another entry appears automatically in my bibliography for the entry I just put in here. So as you can see, this is super easy, super efficient. It has the potential to save you a lot of time, especially trying to enter and format those bibliographic entries. So if you are interested in using Zotero, again, I'm going to do a series of videos that's going to show you how to use this software, some tips and tricks for getting the most out of it. So hit like, hit subscribe, come back and check out the series. They'll be posting over the next couple of weeks. Thanks.